Good morning, everybody. Day 3 here, and we're gonna be going river fishing. First time fly fishing in the water to catch some trout. Nothing better to do when you're sunburned. Got my sunscreen on. I look pasty white, and we have my two friends, or my one friend up here with his friend, and he's basically our tour guide. So let's get right on and get some breakfast, and then hit the river. So Blake, Everett, Jackson. Alright, these
I'm
are.
not really scared of the camera, so I'll be good.
Alright, these are basically the tour guides.
Yeah. I get.
And we are on our way. We are stopping at a little fly store real quick. Educate. Learn how to. Bait shop is pretty cool. Picked up some flies. Now we're headed to the river. So we arrived at the river. Need to get all hooked up, and I'm gonna switch to the GoPro from now on. So GoPro now. Yeah. So you're gonna have it like this. Oh shit, hold on.
Ooh, you got my line, bud.
Oh shit.
Once and forward. A little more. Try again. You want to get it right in that. Really. Okay. Get right down. There you go. There you go. Don't. One missed it, I think.
Yeah, he went at it.
Alright. Try again because you're getting dragged. You want to.
That was like a great. Oh crap, I see it.
Just right there. Right there.
Uh-oh, what the hell? Damn it. I always do this.
Yeah. Here, wait. Mike, hold it with your finger. You still got it?
Yeah.
Hold it with your finger. Now just peel in the, hold it with your finger. Peel in the line.
Alright, I got one, guys.
Still got one?
Yeah, he's swimming. I'm not sure what it is. I'm not sure what it is. It's a...
Just keep it tight, keep it tight, keep it tight. Right there, start walking towards me.
Oh god, it's fighting.
Come on.
Oh god.
Keep walking.
Tie on that nymph and... Big.
Keep walking.
Oh god.
Hey Jackson, come grab my rod. Come grab my rod. Let me know.
Like, I can't tell. Like, it feels big. It could be puny, but...
And it's big.
Oh yeah.
Grab my rod, grab my rod. Alright. Start pulling in line, stripping in line. Yep. You might even want to put... line. Oh, it's a... Start walking back. Okay. Walk back. Calm down. Walk back. It's huge. Keep walking back.
It's huge.
Walk back. Just walk back. This way. Keep walking. Keep walking.
Jesus. It's a huge sucker?
Yeah, get it. Keep walking towards that shore.
Are you serious? It's that big?
Whoa, 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 slow. You know, hold it. Slow. That's a rainbow. Hey, walk towards that beach. Keep going. You caught one though, bro. It was this huge.
Damn, bro.
It was. Here, take your rainbow. Oh, huge.
He was huge, dude. Hooked up. I think he just landed it. Oh, no, he didn't. It's coming though. Nice. Little baby. No. So there's...
Move your, flatten your hands out. Straight flat.
Okay.
Let me show you.
Do I have to... Should I hold it?
Michael, when you cast, put the line in this hand. So then you get a butt, hook, and then strip there. See what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Now hold it. Hey, let it go. Let him run. Keep your tip up. Keep side pressure on him, side pressure. Don't let him dump, Keep the tip up. Keep it to the side, Keep the tip up. Get it to the side. Put side pressure upstream.
Oh, okay, like this?
Let him run. Let line out. Let line out. Let line out. Let line out. Let him go. Okay, hey, you need to back up. Back up. I've netted more fish than you. Okay, Michael, you're getting one close to that. Let him run. Let line. Let him run.
Alright.
Let him tire. Just keep side pressure on him. Let him go.
It's a brown.
It's a brown.
That's why he's fighting so good.
Oh yeah, that's a good fight. I liked it. Yeah, guys. Woohoo.
Oh, he swallowed it. There's
First ever brown.
Hey, that's a keeper.
What's up, guys?
Keep him in the net.
Hey, keep him in the net.
Yeah, bring him over the shore.
I want a picture. Yeah, sweet, dude.
Hey,
Sweet.
Let me take it.
All right, guys. First ever brown. That's a pretty guy too. Jeez.
Let's go.
Yeah, man. Oh, wait, hold up. Yeah.
We're gonna go.
Here we go, guys.
We're gonna go.
Okay, guys. So this is my first ever brown. He's a nice fish. Caught him on a fly. First ever fly fish. First ever fish I caught on my fly. Just give you guys a look. No, not Adam's fly. It was the one he gave me, that guy.
Alright.
So yeah, I'm gonna hand it over to the tour guide, and he's going to take care of it from there.
You wanna get this on video or no?
No.
Probably not. Yeah, I have no idea what he wants.
Side it with the eye. It's a big brown.
Yeah, that's a nice fish.
What is up, guys? We're gonna take a lunch break. I got one brook. I lost a giant rainbow about 24 inches, biggest ever. Bunch of steelhead jumping. Everett got a rainbow that you saw. This other guy that gave us these flies, he got like 5. Blake was hooked up with a giant steelhead, but it got back on, and got off. So we're gonna go have some Subway real quick, take a break, and then get back to the fishing. Got my Subway and Sun Chips, gonna eat up. Now we are on our way back down to the river. So guys, we're leaving the river. Successful day.
I get the Trout.
Go off through the mud.
See you later, Mike.
Yeah. See you, man. And we are on our way back to the camp now.
It's freaky.
Scary?
Yeah.
Whitehall. So I forgot to update. I'm under the bridge. I just backed the boat in. We are out. Dad, you're kicking my pole. Your foot. Okay. So we're out on the lake. I'm about to go slay some. Be ready. Be ready.
Mike just got one.
It's a little pike. Snake. Not bad.
We'll go. Let him deal with that thing.
Jesus. Yeah, so a little small pike. So we're calling it quits on the lake.
Blake, slide this in.
We're gonna go try some frogging and some dock fishing. So, I don't know. See you back at camp. They are upset. So arrived back here at the camper. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna head down to the dock after this fine dinner. That was very, very fine dining. And we're going to catch some fish at the dock. Roll the GoPro footage now. I didn't get the fight on camera, so I'm gonna...
Oh, yeah! Nice job,
Bro.
bud.
Jeez.
That's the first fish of your
Wait,
first fish of
keep it.
Okay, I didn't even get it on camera. No, I'm
It's
gonna
too small to
really...
legally keep.
Okay, so I literally pitched it in the weeds right there, and he took my zero gravity jig that sinks...
Are you advertising them or something?
That
Are you
sinks,
sponsored by them?
yeah, I am. That sinks 3 feet every second.
You gonna give all the specs?
And, oh no, it sinks 1 foot every second, something like that. So let's get a dope underwater release. I didn't even get him on camera, like the release.
Hey.
Yep. Alright guys, so you just saw that one. It was too quick of a hit for me to get it on camera. I just tossed that zero gravity jig within 2 seconds. Doop doop. I had a fish. So without further ado, we're gonna go catch some frogs and do some late night frogging. Let's get it. Yeah. Yeah, you taught me how to catch them. Well, guys, it is 10 o'clock at night, and we're done fishing. It was an exciting day today, guys. I caught my first brown trout. I'm sitting out here at the camper getting torn up by mosquitoes. Have some lanterns, and I'm just gonna close out the day today. Alright. Enjoy. Be ready for day 4 in search of that lunker. Peace.